Hey everyone, this is Tanner with Trained by Tex. We wanted to do a video on saving files and show everybody the way we go about saving files so they're easy to find and easy to share with everybody. In Picoscope, it makes it really easy to notate what you're doing and label your channels and then save exactly what you've done and be able to explain it to the person that's at the other end receiving it. We like to make sure that everything is labeled really well. So when you do that, we like to put in notes what you're doing. We like to put our channel labels down right here. And then also when you go to save it, it's best to label it so that it's easy to find when it's in a folder. As you can see with this particular car, they're labeled exactly what the vehicle is and what's on the scope capture so that we can find it. The reason we do this is our group likes to use Google Drive. Google Drive makes it really easy to share between people in your network, and it also makes it easy to send these files into all over the world if you need to. It also makes it nice for if you're traveling, you can open it anywhere and you don't have to take a USB with you. You get, I think it's 15 gigs free with Google Drive to use, and that's quite a bit of data. As you can see, I have mine all organized by manufacturer. So each scope capture, if I'm looking for a known good, is in here saved and labeled accordingly as to what it is, so I know and I can find it easy. My cam cranks and things like that are labeled. If they're good or bad, everything's right there. This makes it really nice because when you go to email a file, you can also get to it right through your Gmail account. And when you go to email it, you can go into a file like this, and let's pick a file here. Let's do a Chrysler file. I can right click on it and I can hit get shareable link. Now I can send that link in an email and I don't have to worry about the file being too big, which happens a lot of times with Pico files. You just have to make sure that your link sharing is on with that. The other thing that you can do is do it this way, and you can send it to somebody and it makes it really easy. It's nice because then you can choose whether or not that person can edit or just look at. You can send large folders of information and do that, and then it comes right into your Gmail and you're able to open it without any issues. This is probably the easiest way that our group's found to be able to do this, and you can do it with other things like scan data and stuff like that. I organize scan data in the same way, and you can send those files back and forth so long as you have a way to open them on the other end when you're receiving it. Hopefully this has helped some of you to be more efficient and a little bit more organized, and we look forward to hearing your feedback on this and any other ideas you guys might have. Thanks for listening.